Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is our Olympus WS852 EVP recorder. So basically, this is used for communicating with ghosts, so you can actually hear not only the responses but their actual voice. So basically, electronic voice phenomena is when a digital recorder picks up the voice of a ghost, which the human ears can't hear. So that's the purpose of it. So basically, you can't hear the responses in real time, like you can with the spirit box, but you can hear their actual voice. And to me, this is one of the most undebunkable pieces of ghost hunting equipment, because if you're in the middle of nowhere and you get a human voice responding to your questions, you know, that you can't really disprove. So out of all the different ghost hunting products, to me, this is the best in terms of legitimate evidence. So basically, you'd start it recording, and then you'd ask a question, leave a gap for them to respond, ask another question, leave a gap for them to respond, ask as little or as many questions as you like. Once you've finished, play it back and listen after your question where the gaps are for a response. Yeah, it's got a good speaker on it, so the volume's good, really good audio quality. You can plug in headphones and external microphone if you wish, and also they've got a slider at the back which gives you a USB 2 connector, so you can plug it into a computer or a laptop or whatever to copy the recordings from this onto that. Yeah, it's a really good little recorder, so I'll just show you it in use. So I'll just turn it on. Right, so all you have to do, hit record. Is there anybody here? Right, so asked a question, left a little gap, stopped it, and then you just play it back and listen for a response. Is there anybody here? Yeah, didn't get anything that time. You just have to keep trying. But yeah, it's a good piece of kit. If you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.